Hey there, everybody. It's me, Mike Explosion. Man, I tell y'all what, I love that lock-in that happened, man. It was just so amazing, so crazy. Down at Freedom Fellowship. No, stop it. Don't finish. Anyways, guys, man, we all know that we had fun dancing. And I ain't playing that song. Don't you dare ask me to play that song. Okay, fine, here's the song. Anyways, yo. Also, we did play games, fun games, but definitely not this game. That's all I'm showing you. I'm not showing you the whole thing. I'm tired of it. So, there was some pros and cons about it. Why? Did you really have to yell con like that? No, I quit. Anyways, the pros were, it was awesome and it was amazing. Everyone loved it. The con was, my heroin is awesome. I know. It's a shame that it's been messing up on me for a while. My hair's as stubborn as, well, Brandon is. Anyways. And I know y'all enjoyed seeing me, Mike Explosion, out there. Because I knew that you all loved it. Loved hanging out, and all y'all girls enjoyed looking at me. I know I enjoyed y'all looking at me. We all know that. That's because Mike Explosion is so super awesome and super good looking that y'all can't just help but drool while y'all stare him down. Yeah. Hey there, girl. Oh, sorry. Anyways. I just want y'all to know I had fun. I'm glad y'all came by. And remember, Mike Explosion. Dang, that was a good one. Who set that one off, though? That one wasn't me. Probably that farting cat. I love that cat. Anyways, guys, I gotta go now. I hope y'all enjoyed everything, man, because I enjoyed it all. We all know I did. We all know that you did. We all know that you enjoyed looking at me. Yeah. Can't get much better looking than this. I know. It's hard to not stare. Calm yourselves, ladies. Y'all might see me again. Well, time to explode myself out of this place, because this white wall is kind of boring. Giving me the creeps, too. This strange kid named Anthony. A weirdo. My gosh. He can't shut up. And, well, he's just crazy. I don't trust him. I shouldn't either. Always listen to Mike. Mike is right. You better like Mike. That right. That was awesome. I am punching your son! Fine. Dang, I'll get off. Anyways, I need to get going, guys. I love y'all. God bless, and see y'all. Just remember, after that, Mike Explosion's fuse's been lit. So now, it's time to explode with the fiery flames of God. I'm out.